Hello, welcome to A-Level Physics and Mathematics class. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of the entrance exam question. It says that x minus 1, the power of x is equal to 81. Okay, that's what we are going to break down in this episode. Before that, could you please like, share, and subscribe this episode? That will help me a lot. Thank you. If you are in TikTok, I just want to let you know if you are in TikTok, you can like, follow, and share. Like I said, if you are in YouTube, you can subscribe, like, and share this episode. So let's proceed with the equation. So it says that, like I said, x, open the bracket, uh, x minus 1, the power of x is equal to 81, right? So to find out the value of x, what you need to do is 8, use my cluster. So you need to do, what you need to do is x minus 1, the power of x is equal to 81, means basically it's 9 multiplied with 9, right? 9 multiplied with 9, okay? Now what you can do is x minus 1, x, the power of x is equal to 9, means 3 is the power of what? So, right? Multiplied with 3 is the power of. Okay. Now, using the exponent or a power rule, what you can do is x to the power x minus 1, the power of x is equal to, you can, like I said, you need to use a power rule. So using the power rule, you can you cannot this guy with this, because since the base is common, the base is the same, you cannot the exponent. So what you can do is, open the bracket, x minus 1, open the bracket, close the bracket, x is equal to, you will get that x is a power of what? 4, right? Now, here is a trick. So you need to know the trick. So which is basically x minus 1, close the bracket, x the power of x is equal to 3, means basically 4 minus 1, right? So the power of what? 4, okay? So using the comparison rule, you can, if you can see this very carefully, you can get that x is equal to, therefore x is equal to what? 4, okay? That is the exact solution for this exponential equation. So that's all for today. Let me know if you have any question regarding with this exponential equation. I'm happy to reply to you guys. Yeah, like I said, that's all for today. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. You can feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to reply for you guys. Before I wrap up this session, like I said, could you please like, share, and subscribe this episode? That will help me a lot. Thanks so much for your time, and then have a good day. Goodbye. See you in the next episode.